Okay, so in order to use Airplay 2, you're going to start music playing from Pandora or whatever your app is, and then you're going to look for this icon right here, or this icon. Oops, try that again. This icon right here. And it'll usually be on your app on the Now Playing screen. And it'll also be, if you swipe down from the top right corner, it'll be right here. So when you touch either the same icon in either place, it's going to bring up this Airplay menu where it'll have all your destinations. I will send it to iPad right now. So whatever music you're playing is going to come out of whatever you have checked off here. So right now it's iPad, so the music coming out of the iPad. If you touch Office, it's going to start playing the music out of the Office. And if you use the volume buttons on the iPad, it's going to adjust the volume. Oh, the volume. There's actually volume up here too. And if you want to add the sound to a different room, you just check off whatever room you want to play it in. So now it's in both kitchen and office. And you can see it groups the two zones together. If you put it in dining room also, it'll say there's 3 speakers, kitchen, dining, and office. If you use this volume right here, it's going to adjust all 3 zones relative to wherever they started. If you want to adjust them individually, you hit this little arrow to the left here. I might have accidentally not hit the arrow. Yeah, I didn't hit the arrow. Okay, try that again. Kitchen and office. And then once they're grouped, if you hit the a little bit too far to the right on accident, it'll ungroup those zones, which is you don't want to do. So you can adjust the group right here, or you can hit the little triangle, and then it should open up the group of zones it's playing, and then you can grab the volumes and individually adjust them. But you can see when you hit this one, it'll adjust both. So that's pretty much it, and you can do this from your phone also. If you hit the iPad, or it'll say iPhone if it's on your phone, it'll stop playing in the speakers in the house, and it'll start coming out of the iPad or iPhone.